Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily disable the option where when you start recording a video the music or whatever media that you're playing stops. So in order to stop that from happening, what we'll have to do is go onto your settings application. Once you're in the settings application, scroll down and find the option camera, and now you can see an option called record sound, which is set to stereo. I'll just click on it, and now you can see an option called Allow Audio Playback. So if you turn this on and let's say you have a music playing on Spotify and you just start recording a video, so the Spotify music won't stop because this is on. So if you don't want this, you just click on it, turn it off. So in this case, if you start recording a video, any of the media that's playing in the background or whatever is happening will be paused. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.